We're here at CellTech Trailers in Waco, Texas. Let me show you something. You'll be impressed. Hello, my name is Doug Cox. I'm the founder of CellTech Metals, and we've created a very unique technology in the panel industry. Our panel is designed with a key core, we call it bidirectional structure, that creates tremendous stiffness and value to every panel product that we design and develop in the marketplace. Our core is uniquely designed through an embossing system that allows it to become extremely stiff and strong and has longevity. After the core has been developed through the embossing process, we then take it to our roll coater, where we apply a very unique derivative aerospace adhesive that we developed with a partner that took us 4 years to put in place, and today gives us an amazing stiffness and strength to our panel, creating significant longevity and durability. And for that reason, we give all of our product a minimum of a 10-year warranty for survival and the test of time.